When would you use a materialized view instead of a standard view? Most developers treat these as interchangeable, but choosing wrong can cost you thousands in cloud bills. The fundamental difference is execution versus storage. A standard view is just a saved query. Every time you select from it, the database executes the underlying query from scratch. It's like calling a function that recalculates everything. A materialized view, on the other hand, stores the pre-computed results on disk. When you query it, you're reading cached data, not running the expensive query again. This makes materialized views dramatically faster for complex queries. So when should you use each? Materialized views shine with read-heavy workloads on infrequently changing data. Think dashboards, analytics reports, or complex aggregations across millions of rows. If you're running the same expensive join every hour for a sales dashboard, materialize it. Standard views work better for simple filtering or when your underlying data changes constantly. If you need real-time data or the query is already fast, stick with a standard view. The catch with materialized views is data staleness. Since results are cached, they don't automatically reflect the latest data. You need to explicitly refresh them, either on a schedule or manually. If your base tables update every second but you refresh hourly, your materialized view shows hour-old data. This refresh operation itself can be expensive, so you're trading query speed for periodic refresh cost and accepting some staleness. Finally, consider storage costs. Materialized views consume disk space because they physically store the result set. A standard view uses zero storage since it's just a query definition. If you're materializing a query that joins 3 large tables and produces 10 million rows, that's real disk space you're paying for. Weigh the performance gain against storage costs and refresh overhead. Bottom line, use materialized views for complex read-heavy queries on stable data where you can tolerate some staleness. For everything else, stick with standard views. Practice more SQL questions at interviewmentor.app. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.